brought the water, 'cause I surely brought them flames. Now let's burn it all off till I'm nothing but my name. You see, tonight we're burning Deadwood tonight. Now my survival, well, it rests on breaking chains, and I find revival once I make peace with my pain. You see, I'm fighting all these demons, see me swinging away. I'm out here wrestling sand and throwing blows at the way. I'm catching tears in my hands and throwing stones at the rain. I'm out here wrestling sand and throwing blows at the way. I'm catching tears in my hands and throwing blood on my name. When I met the devil, well, he spoke with silk and lace, and I tried to run, but by then it was too late. And now I'm running round in circles, trying to keep the wolves away. I prayed to God for just one penny's worth of grace, and all I heard was go and mend your selfish ways. You see, this life has many seasons, your clock is ticking away. I'm out here wrestling sand and throwing blows at the way. I'm catching tears in my hands and throwing stones at the rain. I'm out here wrestling sand and throwing blows at the way. I'm catching tears in my hands and throwing blood on my name. Crumbling down, I still find a way to make a joyful sound. And all around me is crumbling down. I still find a way to make it joyful.